Want to turn everyday actions into automated SMS power moves? Let's unlock the secrets of SMS marketing automation with Zapier. First, let's understand what we're doing. Zapier acts like a digital bridge, connecting different tabs and automating tasks. And the specific event, called a trigger, happens today. We'll focus on triggering SMS messages. Head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Every Zap has a trigger and an action. The trigger tells Zapier when to do something. Let's say you want to send a text. When someone fills out a Google Sheet, search for Google Sheets and select it. As your trigger app, you can use other platforms like Calendly for appointment reminders. Choose New Spreadsheet Row as your trigger event. This means every time a new row is added to your sheet, Zapier will kick into action. Connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Then select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. Now, for the action, this is what Zapier will do. When the trigger happens, search for your SMS provider, like Twilio, SMS by Zapier, or another SMS service you prefer. Select it. Choose Send SMS as the action and event. Connect your SMS provider account. Now comes the important part, mapping. This tells Zapier where to get the information for your SMS message. For example, you'll map the phone number column in your Google Sheet to the to-number field in your SMS action, and the message column to the message body. Zapier will let you test your Zap with sample data. Make sure everything looks correct, especially the phone number and the message content. Finally, turn your Zap on. And there you have it. You can now automate your SMS marketing with platforms and Zapier. Now watch your SMS engagement soar.